What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Amaria back with the tips, tricks, and tea of life. If you are interested in watching this video on how I styled my lace front wig, please continue watching. What is up, YouTube? Hello, I am back with another video. It is your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, and share below. And today we are with a video, okay? If you cannot tell by the title, today is hair day, okay? I am changing my hair. I tend to do it a lot, probably not too often, maybe every 2 weeks, just to do something different because I like to change up my style. I don't like having the same thing. So today we are going to be doing a step-by-step lace frontal wig install, okay? A lace wig is different from a frontal wig because of the fact that most of the frontals actually have baby hair, and they look a lot more natural. Most lace wigs, it's lace, like the wig has lace on it, but they'll call it a lace wig, and it doesn't have like that natural parting and everything. So today we are going to be doing this thing. All right, so check it out. So now I'm gonna get started. So as you can see, guys, I currently already have my hair braided down. I just did cornrows, as you can see. I've done a previous video for doing a glueless wig install. If you need help, learning how to braid down your hair, check out that video. I will be putting the link up there for that video as well, just so you can check it out. It helps you know, just easy ways to braid your hair down. Like I stated in my other video, when it comes to braiding your hair down and applying a wig, you want to make sure that you do as many braids as you prefer, just because the smaller the braids are, the less it'll show under your wig, okay? And the more laid, your wig will be. So right now, we are going to be installing new hair. Okay, so we're going to be installing this. As you can see, it's really nice. I don't have any problems. This is 2 bundles of 22. I have 20 here, and I have 18. So it should be good. Yeah, so we're going to get started. A lot of people, I like to go for a layered look. When it comes to installing your wig and you get the different sizes, I tend to do my 22 first just because it's the longest. Then I go with the 20, then I go with the 18. And then, guys, my lace front part, it is still currently in the netting. I figured out the netting. You can see like the baby hairs and everything. This is the underside of the wig, the lace. This is the top part. As you can see, you can definitely see that part. It definitely looks really natural. So yeah, guys, we're gonna check this out and we're gonna get to business. All right, so let's start with the 22. Okay. So what I like to do first is, some people may, already start putting the hair in. I like to get my thread and my needle already secure in the place where I want to start off at. It really honestly depends on how you want to install your hair. But like I said, I'm just going to show you guys how I do it, because I like to do my hair based on the removal process, so it makes it easier removal. And I like to do my hair based on style, so I kind of have an idea of what I want my wig to look like before I get started. So now all I'm doing now, I'm separating the hair because it comes doubled, or sometimes like quadrupled. So just trying to get that. Looks really nice, a little thin, but you can see it's really nice. So also guys, you do not have to spend thousands of dollars for a quality wig or quality hair, okay? Most people think you have to spend, hundreds of dollars. It's not even that serious. It's really not. Because you're not outside, you're gonna wear that hair for that long. So don't go spending too much money if you, especially if you're just trying it out and you want to test something out, just do your hair on your own. That would be the best way to go. So now I'm going to be starting right. Right, it's gonna be at the bottom just because I want to make sure that I get full coverage. You definitely don't want your wig or your lace to be looking super thin, and you want to make sure that you have your placement correct. If your placement is not correct, your wig is not going to look right. Okay? So, like I said, I'm just going to take this. Now, guys, okay. So now I have my late thread secure. So now we're going to get started. I usually start at the end. A lot of times, a lot of people, okay, here's a tip, right? So when you're doing your hair, a lot of the wigs, like I said, they come doubled. I usually keep it, just two folded together, and the part that has the loop, I start off my hair on that loop. I do this because this helps with, when you first put your wig on, not wig, but I keep saying wig, when you first put your, start your sew in, you always want to make sure that it is secure. You definitely don't want your, it falling out, or, if you didn't do something right, you definitely want to be able to notice that up front. So, and you can do stuff like this, which makes it, like I said, super easy, especially in, making sure that your hair is secure and not too much trouble, right? So, yeah. I make I make my thread longer just because I hate having to thread my needle. Like, it's just a no. So I do it like this so that I can not have to thread it too often. I may have to, do it like 1 or 2 times after this. But usually this is the So I'm gonna speed this up a little bit, or do maybe time lapse, just because it's gonna take forever for me to get this done. What I'm going to do is, though, I want you guys to kind of know like how long it took me to do it. So we're gonna look at the time. It is currently 7:53. I'm going to, if I time lapse it or pause it, I'm just gonna let you guys know what time I did it at and what time I put it back on. This will give you an idea how long it'll probably should take you to do your hair. Like I said, I have been doing my hair for a while now, or years now, so practice, is perfect, makes you perfect. Well, such thing as perfect, but practice can help you get closer to perfection. So I definitely encourage you to practice all you can. Don't give up. because you will get faster with time and experience. Alright. Also, I don't do them little, like, I make sure that my hair is secure, but I definitely don't thread it too much or double thread it, because who's gonna take that out? Not me. Just for an easy removal, keep that in mind, because a lot of times when you go get your hair done, they do your hair so that you have to come back to them so they can take your hair out. So okay guys, so it's been an hour. I'm not gonna lie, it's literally been an hour and I really only did about 22. Okay, so now I am about to get started on Twitch. I'm gonna be honest though, whenever you're doing your hair, the bottom part is literally the longest. So like I said, I just took an hour doing that. Honestly, this should be a lot quicker. Right when I get done with this, I'm going to be installing my lace front part and then continuing adding my 18-inch bundles. Right now, like I said, I want to make sure everything is secure and okay. And yes. All right. Okay guys, so I was able to fix that. So now, moment of truth. Let me stop. It'll be fine, but now we're going to work on installing my lace front. Alright, so the reason why you want to install your lace front first, okay? Excuse me for that. The reason why you want to install your lace front first is because of the fact, you see these? This is what is going to help you determine whether or not you have your lace front on accurately and securely. And plus, when you put this on, you want to sew it in, because if you don't sew it in right there and everything, and it's not sewed in right, it's not going to look right when you add the other hair. Okay, so for starters, I'm going to try my absolute best to make sure this is accurate. I'm not gonna be able to do this right here. I really can't see. So, 1 second, I'll be back. Alright guys, so ignore the mess. Clearly, I'm gonna show you what I did. I basically just got my frontal and I sewed all the way around it just to make sure that everything's done properly. I only got it like this, and I know it's messy, don't judge me. I'm gonna brush it out and just super in the way right now. Super in the way. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Oh my gosh. Seriously? So, right now, all I'm working on is trying to install the last of my hair. Once I get the last of the hair installed, then we're just gonna, oh my gosh. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna get the last of my hair installed, and then I'm going to baby hairs, how they're supposed to be, ignore that. So yeah, I'm going to be doing my 18-inch, and then we're going to style and go from there. Alright. What is up, guys? So this is the finished product. Right. I did my baby hairs, and I didn't have to pluck it just because it already came from pluck. Other than that, I really didn't do much. Like I said, I went around my frontal with my 18-inch bundle, and I made sure that I just sewed around it just to make sure that it looked good and even. From there, yeah, I just finished the hair. Like I said, I didn't have to do any plucking. I did get a little bit more baby hair by using scissors. It's not as thorough as I wanted it to be, just because, like I said, this is my first time. I wanted to make sure that I didn't look crazy, so I had to make sure I was using Amaria. But I am excited with how it turned out. I really like it. Other than that, like, comment, share, give me you guys' thoughts, and I hope you have a great day. Hello guys, so this is the finished product. I used a little bit of sealer for my part, just to make it a little bit better, more noticeable. Other than that, pretty good job. I feel like I feel good about my job that I did. Yeah, y'all, it's 12:47. I did get done maybe 45 minutes ago. I'm not gonna lie. So all around, that took me maybe 3 hours. Yeah, that's fair. 3, 4 hours, honestly, to finish. It wasn't that long. Yeah.